Push it to the back and move it to the front. Push it to the back and move it, move it, move it. Push it to the back and move it to the front. Push it to the back and move it, move it, move it.
Next in our side view proportions series, we're going to draw a hatchback. This might be something in the C segment, like a Ford Focus or Volkswagen Golf. Something that's very common in Europe and other regions outside the United States. We're going to draw our 5 circles, we're going to draw our wheel centers, and we're going to draw a fairly low rocker, fairly low belt line. The difference between sedans and hatchbacks is typically there's a much shorter rear overhang. And hatchbacks are also typically front-wheel drive, which means the windscreen and A-pillar align more with the top of the front wheel versus the wheel center. Now, being front drive, the front overhang is typically much longer than in a rear drive vehicle. And the rear overhang is much shorter. We're drawing our character lines, our DLO. Drawing through the form, drawing through the wheels. You can see that very short rear overhang. Now, smaller cars typically still have the same ratio of wheel diameter to wheel base. So that 5-wheel proportion is a fairly constant ratio throughout the industry. And the reason why is because smaller cars typically have smaller wheels, and larger cars typically have larger wheels. The difference is the proportion of the occupants remains a constant. So in a smaller car, the greenhouse tends to look larger relative to the rest of the body versus in a larger vehicle. It's very important that designers can articulate between different proportions of vehicles. So you'll see that the glass is a bit taller and the body side is a bit slimmer in order to shrink wrap that body to those smaller wheels.